one advice, do proper research before you put anybody in your house. That is all you have to say. Proper research. And ladies, yeah man, find an old helper. Find an old helper. Supposed to look like Eustace Span, Courage to call the dog. Yeah man, the helper have to be like them African company ill and gully ride before them going to your house. Like them type of age there, yeah man.
Wow. So you just finished watching Stew Peas.
Yes.
1 to 10.
Yeah.
What was it like for you?
I enjoyed the movie. First of all, I forgot big up China K and big up Terry Barrett, you know, cause two of them, my friends in the industry. And what I liked, I'm tired of the Jamaican show them with the one back, shoot, and that. We have different storyline, man. Like we can go into the romantic comedy, we can go into the sci-fi thriller. I just don't watch I Will Find You on Netflix. And this is a sort of genre, you know, them psychological thing there. When you think say one person, it just flip everyone and you're like, oh, and then it flip you again, and I was like, yeah. But the scene there with the Stew Peas, you know, may I tell you. I was watching it and of course I heard some people who were disgusted. But I also heard women saying, I get the idea. So men, be very careful if your woman watch the show here and the next meal where you get on Sunday is Stew Peas because they were taking notes. That's all I have to say.
What number was it?
8.5.
Okay.
Yeah, 8.5. Like the only thing more is like, honestly, boy, China Cave. Listen, this is not a what you call it now. I don't want to ruin it. What the word name? But yeah, man, China Cave. Oh God, I hope your jaw them. I hope your jaw feel good. Oh God, man. That's all I have to say. But yeah, 8.5.